Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs, to another insightful session with EboxMan. Today, we're delving into the art of ethical emulation, a strategy to learn from successful Shopify stores without crossing any boundaries. Our chosen muse for this journey is the thriving brand, Jackson, making waves with a monthly revenue of over $5 million. Now, let's dive into the steps to unravel their success. 1. Identify a successful store. Introduce the chosen brand, Jackson, as a beacon of success in the Shopify realm. 2. Research best-selling products. Dive into the analytics of Jackson to uncover their top-performing products, ensuring we focus on items with proven demand. 3. Investigate advertising strategies. Explore the advertising landscape of Jackson, dissecting their campaigns for valuable insights on effective marketing. 4. Select a winning product. Handpick a standout product from Jackson's repertoire, setting the stage for our replication journey. 5. Examine landing page. Analyze the layout and features of the chosen product's landing page on Jackson's website. 6. Determine the Shopify theme. Check if Jackson's website is built on Shopify, or choose a suitable theme for EboxMan if the original isn't on the Shopify platform. 7. Create your store on Shopify. Begin the process of setting up your Shopify store with a focus on free themes and customization tools. Introduce Pagefly for enhanced customization. 8. Emphasize ethical replication. Stress the importance of ethical replication, urging viewers to draw inspiration rather than mimicry. 9. Craft product descriptions. Utilize Dropbot AI to generate compelling product descriptions, tailoring them to fit EboxMan's unique brand voice. 10. Build landing page with Page Builder. Demonstrate the use of Pagefly to construct a visually appealing landing page for the chosen product, incorporating observed elements from Jackson. 11. Add marketing angles to ad creatives. Develop image ads for EboxMan, incorporating marketing angles and features to showcase the product's value proposition. 12. Incorporate reviews. Integrate customer reviews on the landing page to establish trust and credibility, showcasing positive feedback. 13. Adapt marketing strategies. Encourage viewers to adapt marketing strategies to align with EboxMan's unique characteristics, while maintaining the overall structure observed from Jackson. 14. Highlight versatility of the product. Emphasize the versatility of EboxMan's product, showcasing scenarios where it can be seamlessly integrated into various lifestyles. 15. Add strong masculine elements. If applicable, incorporate strong and relevant visual elements tailored to EboxMan's target demographic. 16. Ensure legal and ethical compliance. Remind viewers to steer clear of unethical practices, emphasizing the importance of creating a distinctive brand identity. 17. Finalize landing page. Make final adjustments to the landing page, ensuring it aligns with EboxMan's brand messaging and aesthetics. 18. Continuous improvement. Conclude by encouraging continuous improvement based on performance metrics, signifying an ongoing commitment to success. As we wrap up, remember, success is not about imitation but innovation. Learn, adapt, and let EboxMan guide you on your journey to Shopify brilliance. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring.